iOctane, Luton Fire, Statius and Fab 5 for this year's festival song competition. The Ministry of Culture and Entertainment yesterday announced the finalists for this year's festival song competition, and the popular reggae acts were amongst the 12 listed finalists. The established acts in the competition follows last year's format, where fans saw top reggae acts like Butcher Banton, Freddie McGregor and Toots and the Maytals entering the competition, with Buju for the win. Culture Minister Olivia Grange in a release stated that the 12 finalists represent a wide cross-section of genres that will appeal to a wide audience, and that she wants the winning song to be on the lips of every man, woman and child this independence and beyond. E-Prime caught up with iOctane, the reggae star, who shared his reasons for his involvement in the festival song competition.
If more artists should take this initiative, it build back up the festival, you know. When we go to school, we always hear the festival songs them. Although we have the top artists them around the place, they still hear give thanks and praises, you know what I mean, and every other festival song will run the place. But after a while then you have generational disconnection, you know what I mean, from the festivals. It's not really about the money per se, like winning the money. It's just to show other people say we can do it. I embrace the culture of Jamaica, you know what I mean. So you know, Buju do it. Buju a great legend, you know, Freddie McGregor. So maybe next year you might have some other artists who contribute to it, you know what I mean, and just build up the momentum.
And the organizers told E-Prime that even with the COVID-19 measures lightened, the shows this July will remain virtual and will not be opened to the public. The top 12 songs can be streamed on digital platforms. Now, still on iOctane, the artist continues to celebrate the success of his fourth studio album, Moods, released just over a month ago.
Got them up, them are not generate, and no see them love likes like me rapes them text on. Them up them life and I bring you free your life. Some the tool on left, I Bible by me bedside.
It's a long-term thing, you know what I mean? Every single song on it is a single. So it's not like me I just promote 3 songs and run left it. I promote the whole 14 songs, them including all the interludes, you know what I mean? So I promote that song, I go straight back to 2022, 2023.
Moods, produced by Octane's Conquer the Globe Productions, J Crazy Records and Happilus, is available across all digital platforms. Now to news overseas, where actor Bill Cosby was freed today. The news broke earlier today that Cosby will be released from prison after the Pennsylvania Supreme Court announced that his sexual assault conviction will be overturned. Cosby was sentenced 3 years ago after being found guilty of 3 counts of sexual assault. In May, his parole was denied as he refused to participate in the prison's rehabilitation programs and continued to proclaim his innocence. The entertainer had served more than 2 years after being convicted. I'm Daytran reporting for E-Prime.